Hi everyone, welcome to Almakeit channel. At the end of this video, you will learn my top 5 picks in Decathlon to lose my belly fat while enjoying my workout. Almakeit Low Frame City Bike 120 is a city bike for all occasional riding, running errands and quick shopping made easier with this stylish city bikes. It has 6-speed on the external derailleur that gives versatility on moderate incline. It makes it easier for cyclists to climb hills and set off after stopping at a red light. The frame is made up of 100% high-ten steel and lowered frame to make it easier to get on and off. With height-adjustable saddle, sturdy enough to stand a daily use in town. The riding position has been designed to allow good handling and visibility. For an effective, safe braking, the brake calipers both on front and rear are installed. It also comes with mud guard, partial chain guard, stand front and rear reflectors, 26-inch tires and single-wall aluminum rims. A must-have bike for quick errands and bike around the block with friends and kids. Domios Performance Cross Trainer EL900. This is made for cross-trainer for beginner to advanced users. It was tested and validated for an average use of up to 10 hours a week. The cross-trainer EL900 is perfect for your toughest workouts. A sufficient stride length is essential for comfortable workouts. The longer the stride length, the more pleasant the movement and the more calories you'll burn. It was designed with a 51 cm stride length to ensure the most comfortable cardio training workouts possible. Whether beginner, intermediate or advanced users, we all need a little extra motivation to keep us going with our cardio training. That's why we equipped our EL900 with a brand new console that features 24 workout programs that focus on various goals such as weight loss, performance and toning. The console displays 6 functions: speed, time, calories, distance, heart rate and RPMs. This means you can switch up the difficulty level to intensify your workouts and blast maximum calories. The advantage of the EL900 is that this function is motorized, so you can change the incline while pedaling. Domios Self-Powered Rowing Machine 500B. Our passionate designers have developed this rowing machine for regular use of up to 5 hours per week. Want to ride in front of the window or the TV but don't have an outlet nearby? No need for an outlet. The 500B's console is self-powered by your movements. One of the few self-powered rowing machines out there. No need for a socket. It has a 6 kg magnetic flywheel for smooth pedaling. For a comfortable workout, we've designed this rowing machine with a wide, soft seat to make your workouts as pleasant as possible. The rollers under the seat make your movements as smooth as possible, even at a high intensity. It features a 6 kg flywheel that is very quiet for optimal rowing comfort while working out. Everything you need for an intense yet comfortable workout. Rowing Machine 500 has 15 resistance levels, console with 7 functions. 1. Stroke rate, count/min. 2. Distance covered, km or miles. 3. Calorie expenditure, kcal. 4. Workout time, SS. 5. Number of strokes, count, 6. 500 m splits, SS. 7. Heart rate with color indicator and 9 built-in programs. So for a perfect cardio workout that is knee-friendly, this rowing machine will do the job, helping you reach your fitness goals comfortably. Raining outside or sun is too hot, making an excuse not to ride your bike for cardio workout? Well, problem solved. Van Rissel Indoor Trainer InRide 500. Discover an easy-to-use home trainer for sensations similar to riding on the road. Its smooth resistance makes it a powerful home trainer with quiet pedaling. Simply pedal to increase the resistance level and feel the sensations similar to riding on the road. Whether you do road or mountain bike training on the home trainer, we highly recommend using a tire specially designed for use on home trainers. It has the advantage of lasting longer, thanks to its reinforced structure and harder rubber, which reduces the noise of the wheel spinning. When cycling on a home trainer, the rear wheel of your bike is well stabilized and slightly raised. For greater stability, you should also use a front wheel riser block. Doing so will help stabilize your front wheel and raise the front of the bike to keep you in a perfectly aligned position. Riverside Hybrid Bike 500. For city or gravel, Riverside 500 is the best choice for advanced cyclists who seeks for more road challenges. Enjoy your bike ride, on and off the road with Riverside 500. Optimized for easy bike riding, whether in city or gravel roads, with added seat comfort and relaxed handling. 9-speed hybrid bike with 28-inch wheels. Aluminum frame with spring suspension with pre-adjustable spring. Twin microshifter and KMCS chain with quick release. Semi-raised handlebars is made of aluminum. A tool-free saddle adjustment, quick release saddle. Versatile plastic one-piece Welgo M239 pedals with a large pressure surface area. 170 mm long aluminium cranks. 36 teeth aluminium chainring. Plastic chain guard. This is a safe bike for entry-level bikers. Get to feel the shifting while enjoying your ride. That's all for today. I hope you find my video useful for you. If you like my video, please click the like button. To know more about the products featured, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be the first one to see my video. Bye.